Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Skillet. Perhaps first time, not sure. Maybe you know that better than me. But yeah, we listened to them before for sure, outside of Gordon Guitar. And this song is called All That Matters, alright? Faith, family, freedom. That's the 3F they sings about, and perhaps a couple of things more. But yeah, all that matters. Let's take a look at this cool song, and we're gonna do that with capo set on the first fret. All right, so put that on and we're gonna learn some chords. Let's start from the beginning with the A minor. That goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next, and that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret. You cover all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have E minor next, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the D minor, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, these are the four main chords, but we're gonna continue here with G, and that is third on E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And there, I think we covered all chords needed for this song. Yes, so let's take a look at this song, and we're gonna look at the intro first. That's the melody, and that melody could be used also in the verse play as well. So it's based upon the four chords A minor, F, E minor, and D minor in that order. So let's take a look at it chord by chord, starting with A minor. And I suggest you hold this with your little ring finger on the second fret G string and your mid finger on the first fret B string. In that way you have the possibilities to use your index for the bass notes. Okay, so you're gonna start with A minor. It goes like this. Okay, so that is to play open A, second G, first B, and back to second G. Next chord is the F. Now you're gonna go up with your index to hit the next bass note, which is the first fret E string in the bass. The melody will be the same, so it will be like this. So first E, second G, first B, and back to second G. Then we have the E minor based melody. It goes like this. And that is to play open E string in the bass. And then the melody is the same, and that will be second G, first B, and back to second G. That was the E minor part, and now we have the D minor left, and that goes. And you're gonna play open D string, second G, open G, and back to second G. And that finishes one round. So one round goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play like that for the intro for one round, and then start the verse. You can continue with this for 4 rounds, because the verse will be about 4 rounds of the same chord progression: A minor, F, E minor, and D minor. So you can choose to play the melody, just continue with that in the verse play, or you can go into the strumming, and the strumming will be used then after this verse, but also within this verse if you choose to. But you're gonna play it for the pre-chorus and the chorus. So we're gonna look at the strumming now, and that's a strumming that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the first 2 chords, the transition from A minor to F. Okay, so part 1, A minor, and then F part 2. One full round with these 2 chords sounds like this. Okay, so A minor is down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Okay, and then you switch chord, in this case to F. You're gonna play the part 2, which will be down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. So if you put these two parts together, it will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So there you have part 1 and part 2 with A minor and F. Now you're going to continue the same pattern here, same principles for the next two chords, E minor, part 1 in the same way as A minor, and then D minor, part 2 in the same way as F. So it goes like this for one full chord progression, A minor, F, D, E minor, and D minor. And that is one round. So, as we said before, you can choose to play the melody in the verse now for 4 rounds or this strumming for 4 rounds. It's your choice. After that, you finish the first verse. Let's go into the pre-chorus and we're gonna play the F one full round. That means both part 1 and part 2 together. And then you're gonna switch to D minor and play one full round of that as well. And you're gonna play only this, F1, D minor 1, like this. And that takes us to the chorus play. Now, you're going to continue the strumming, different chords. You're going to play F part 1, A minor part 2, G part 1, and D minor part 2. So, that is one chord progression round. You're going to play for 4 rounds. Let's do 2 rounds together. F, A minor, G, D minor. Rounds was that. You're gonna play 4 rounds, and that is the end of first round. Second round now is played in the exact same way as the first round, so no changes there. Verse play, 4 rounds, melody or strumming in the pre-chorus. Second one is played in the same way as the first one, and second chorus as well. After the second chorus, you come to the bridge part. We're now about 2 minutes and 3 seconds into the song. And we're gonna continue with the strumming. I'm gonna show you how. The first half of it will be to play F part 1, A minor part 2, G part 1, and D minor part 2. You recognize that? That's the chords play. You're gonna play that for another 2 rounds, okay? So F, A minor, G, and D minor, 2 rounds of that. Then you're gonna continue to play G, 1 full round, then F part 1, A minor part 2. Then again, G, 1 full round, and then D minor, 1 full round. We can play that part because the first half of the bridge part was just to play the chorus, and that's we know about now. But now we're gonna go into the second half of this bridge part, which was G, 1 full round, F part 1, A minor part 2, then G, 1 full round, D minor, 1 full round. Goes like this. And then you just finish off this bridge part with playing 1 down of the following chords: A minor, F, E minor, and D minor. The chords for the verse. And that ends the bridge part. We're now into the final parts, final stages of this song, and that is to play the third chorus, okay? The third chorus is playing exact same way as the previous choruses. The only difference here is you're gonna play it for 6 rounds instead of 4. So 6 rounds of F, A minor, G, and D minor. And after that, you're gonna finish off the song with the melody, which we played in the intro, perhaps in the verse as well, for 1 round, like this. And that, my friends, ends Skillets, all that matters. All right, so all that matters now is for you to hit that like button if you like this tutorial. Otherwise, skip it. And if you like this channel, then subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to, and if you are already a member here, then yeah, skip it as well. I really appreciate all support, guys. Hope it comes from your hearts, and that's what my work does. So yeah, hope to see you soon, guys, and until next time, play tuned.